Hi friends, so I'm here to continue the chemical kinetics. So if you check my video, I've already talked about chemical kinetics. So please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, comment, and share it for people. Please don't forget to subscribe. So now this is what is called factor affecting rate of chemical reaction. Now we have different kind of factor affecting rate of chemical reaction. I've already defined the chemical reaction and rate of chemical reaction. Now some textbook they will call it chemical kinetics. What is chemical kinetics? Chemical kinetics is the what? Is the study of rate of chemical reaction. But when you are talking about the what? The factor affecting rate of chemical reaction. So the study of factor affecting rate of chemical reaction is called reaction kinetics. But here we have factor affecting what? Chemical kinetics. Number one, concentration. Now when you are talking about the concentration, e.g. let us assume you want to cook rice, you understand. If you want to boil that particular rice in what? In a normal way. Now the more the concentration of that particular rice, the more it will take the time to what? To prepare. So it means you have to break the bond. You have to break the bond between the rice and the what? Between the rice, so that you can get it on time. But let's consider it together. Now if you have beans and what? And rice, and you are cooking it together, you will discover that it will take more time for what? For beans to cook than what? Than rice. So it means that the rate of chemical reaction of rice is faster than the rate of chemical reaction of what? Of beans, because of the what? Concentration. Now as you can see in this place, I said reactant particles will work often, will collide more often. Now, and if they are crowded in what? In small spaces, that is when you grind it, the frequency of the collision is dependent upon concentration. So an increase or decrease in concentration of the reactant will result corresponding increase or decrease in effective collision of the what? Of the reactant, and hence in the reaction rate. So increase in concentration slower the rate of chemical reaction. That shows that the increase in concentration, the slower the rate of chemical what? Chemical reaction. So another thing is that, now as you can see, we have what is called notes. I said the pressure the pressure affect the what? Affect the concentration of the gaseous reactant. Now as you can see, for example, a mixture of hydrogen and chlorine gas will react twice as faster if the partial pressure of hydrogen or chlorine is increased from 0.1 to what? To 1.0 atm. The concentration of the solid and liquid, the concentration of the solid and liquid is what? Is unaffected by changes. Now as you can see, can you see this one now? Now as you can see, we have A